I just printed this in my office and I didn't think an FDM printer could pull off something that looks this amazing. What's up guys, Nuno here. As you can see, I've got a new 3D printer. This one was sent to me by Anycubic and it's the Kobra S1 Combo. Now if you remember my last video where I tested the Resin printer, I mentioned that I didn't really like the look of filament printers. Well, as you will see, I was kinda wrong. The setup was actually pretty easy. I just followed the manual that came with the printer, connected a few cables, and in like 15 minutes, everything was ready to go. The printer features a 2500mm build volume, speeds up to 600mm per second, high temp O10 up to 220 degrees Celsius, auto bed leveling with LevQ 3.0. The ACE Pro attaches directly and handles all the filament management. So this is already looking like a great combo for creative projects. Getting started was super easy. All I had to do was load the filaments into the ACE Pro. It can handle up to 4 spools at once. To test things out, I printed a Benchy, the classic first test that came in the USB driver. I went with a single color print to start. The whole process took about 45 minutes, including leveling and preheating, and the results were impressive. I expected the layer lines to be much more noticeable. I guess FDM printers have really come a long way since I last used one. After the Benchy, I jumped into a couple of useful projects I designed using a 3D modeling software. First, I made a custom drawer organizer system to help organize my workspace. For me, this was amazing. I saw an improvement. I could easily do my workspace, and it was super easy. I created a 3D file, opened it with the Anycubic slicer next, sliced it, and printed. That easy. As you can see, the results are amazing. Being able to take an idea and bring it to life with the Kobra S1 is super satisfying. Of course, they still don't have the same precision or surface quality as resin printers, but the results are much better than what I remember from a few years ago. So, after a few days of testing the printer, I wanted to try something different. Something that really shows what this printer can do. I decided to get this dual color silk PLA, blue and purple, because I wanted that really shiny, eye-catching finish to this print. Just look at that, the color shift is insane. It almost looks like it's alive when the light hits it. And the articulation came out perfectly straight from the build plate. No supports, no cleanup. For me, this was the moment I realized how much filament printers have evolved. If you told me a few years ago I could get this level of quality and detail from a filament printer, I probably wouldn't believe you. I've also done a few other prints, some useful things I will actually use, and others I printed just for fun, for me or for my daughter. I really enjoyed the experience of sitting with her looking for something fun to print. If 3D printing feels like magic to me, imagine how it feels for kids. It is really magic to them. They absolutely love it. Overall, I'm really impressed. The print quality is actually better than I expected from an FDM printer, especially considering how fast it prints. I've used resin printers before, even featured one in a past video, and you can see it right there in the corner. And while the finish on those is unbeatable, especially in small prints, this comes surprisingly close with none of the mess. No resin cleanup, no gloves, no mask, no curing, no need to make sure you are in a well-ventilated space. This is just clean prints and simple operation. One of my favorite things about the ACA Pro is that you can load up to 4 different colors, so you can either do multiple color prints or just swap colors between prints without changing spools manually. That's such a time saver. But fair warning, multicolor printing does take a long time, since the printer has to keep switching filaments. And it does waste a fair bit of filament during the color purging process. So it's not the most efficient option, but for the right project, it's worth it. All in all, this combo setup is super capable, clean, and way more beginner friendly than I expected. The best part for me was that I was printing something new every day. It's cheap, there are endless files online to try, and the process is super simple. Just open the file, slice it, and send it to the printer. No mess, no cleanup, it was just awesome. And the results you can get with an FDM printer these days are seriously impressive. If you're thinking about getting into 3D printing or upgrading your setup, this combo is definitely worth checking out. There are so many things that I want to print now that I'll probably do more videos about 3D printing. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or suggestions for more prints, drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.